Hey guys, Taylor here. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do a super simple base face using my foundation, my contour, my highlight, and my blush. Let's go. Okay, so first we're always going to go in with a primer spray. So I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I use this to set and prime my makeup. Then we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Liquid Foundation in the shade 110. Okay guys, let's blend. Guys, I am digging some Fenty. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Palladio Build+blend contouring stick. I am obsessed with this. This is in the shade Amber Glow. And now we blend again. Okay guys, foundation and contour are done. Now head over to the second video to watch the blush and highlight.